Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the earliest forms of artificial intelligence, expert systems and rule-based AI. These may not be as flashy as ChatGPT or self-driving cars, but they laid the groundwork for everything we have in AI today. So, what exactly are expert systems? How do they work? And where are they still used today? Let's break it all down in simple terms. What is an expert system? An expert system is a type of AI that tries to mimic the decision-making ability of a human expert. Imagine a computer program that can give you legal advice, diagnose a disease, or help troubleshoot a car, based on a set of rules and knowledge from real professionals. That's an expert system. It doesn't learn on its own, like modern AI models. Instead, it works based on if-then rules and structured knowledge. How does a rule-based system work? A rule-based AI system follows a simple structure, knowledge base. This is where all the facts, rules, and expert-level knowledge are stored. For example, if a person has a fever and cough, then they may have the flu. Inference engine, this is the brain of the system. It applies the rules from the knowledge base to the facts or data you provide, and comes to a conclusion. User interface. This is how the user interacts with the system, usually by inputting information and getting a diagnosis, recommendation, or decision. So, if you tell the system your symptoms, it checks all its rules and gives you a result based on what it knows. Expert system example. Here's a simple example. Let's say we have a medical expert system. You enter your symptoms, fever, sore throat, and fatigue. The system might run a rule like, I have fever and sore throat and fatigue, then possible diagnosis equals flu. It doesn't guess. It follows the rules it was given. Strengths of expert systems. They're very good at solving specific problems in well-defined areas. They provide consistent results, no emotions or bias. They can capture knowledge from experts and make it available 24/7. Limitations. They can't learn or adapt on their own. If the rules are wrong or incomplete, the system won't work properly. They struggle with uncertainty and complex, changing environments. That's why more modern AI, like machine learning, is often preferred for complex tasks. Real-world uses. Even today, expert systems are still used in areas like medical diagnosis, technical support, credit scoring, legal reasoning, equipment troubleshooting. They're especially helpful in industries where decisions follow a clear set of rules. Understanding expert systems helps us see how AI began and how far it has come. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.